Andy from Howard's Persia and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 208 in the Tech Edition specification. So as the name suggests, this car's packed full of great features. You get park assist, active city brake, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the 7-inch touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.